Stop hiring humans is the bold message from AI companies as source push for AI to replace jobs and boost productivity. But what if AI empowers individuals, not just corporations? LinkedIn's Anish Raman predicts the shift to an economy built on uniquely human skills, curiosity, creativity, communication, compassion, and courage. AI is automating routine tasks, making these skills more valuable than ever. Imagine a future where billion-dollar individuals, not companies, dominate the economy. AI tools enable solo entrepreneurs to scale businesses, automate operations, and build global empire from a laptop. Collaborative, AI-powered communities could replace traditional corporate structures, fostering decentralized economic models. The passion economy is rising. Artists, educators, and niche experts can turn passions into scalable businesses without corporate backing. AI isn't just about companies doing more with fewer people, it's about people doing more with fewer organizations. The future of work isn't about AI, it's about how we choose to shape it. Will we adapt, or let old systems define us? The tools are here, the choice is ours.